Welcome back. In the last video at the end, we deleted the remote repository, but we forgot to remove it locally. Say you want to change it to another name or something. For example, if I now open we can open the terminal here. And we see we haven't changed the remote, git remote-v. It's still there. But if I do git fetch, we see repository not found. So if I go back to our git remote-v, we should not expect to keep this origin. So we just say git remote remove and then the name of the branch, the remote repository. So I remove origin, and I can do my git remote-v, and we see we no longer have a reference to it because it doesn't exist even. So maybe in the future we created a new one called git sandbox, much cooler or something like that, and we just git remote and then add that one. So yeah, just wanted to cover that so we don't leave you hanging. Until next time.